Ready? A letter issued by a bank to another bank to serve as a guarantee for payments made to a specified person under specified conditions. It is issued to serve as a guarantee for payments made to a specified person under specified conditions. Letter of guarantee is a binding document that a buyer can request from his bank in order to guarantee that the payment for goods will be transferred to the seller. Basically, a letter of credit gives the seller reassurance that he will receive the payment for the goods. Letter of credit is also known as documentary credit, is a widely used term to make payment secure in domestic and international trade. The letter of credit is issued by a financial organization at the buyer request. Buyer also provides the necessary instructions in preparing the document. It is often used in international trade to eliminate risks such as unfamiliarity with the foreign country, customs, or political instability. Letter of credit is a useful arrangement with a banker when the buyer of the goods is not well known to the supplier for the purpose of trusting him either for payment or on delivery or with any credit terms. There are two kinds of letters of credit, namely revocable and irrevocable. A revocable letter of credit can be revoked without the consent of the exporter, meaning that it may be cancelled or changed up to the time the documents are presented. A revocable letter of credit affords the exporter little protection, therefore, it is rarely used. An irrevocable letter of credit cannot be cancelled or changed without the consent of all parties, including the exporter. Unless otherwise stipulated, all letters of credit are irrevocable. Back to back letter of credit facilitates the seller to obtain another letter of credit. It is an arrangement in which one irrevocable letter of credit serves as the collateral for another. The advising bank of the first letter of credit becomes the issuing bank of the second letter of credit. To obtain the back to back letter of credit, the permission of the buyer or the applicant of the first letter of credit is not required. Back to back letter of credit is generally used by the middleman or agencies to hide the identical of the real suppliers or manufacturers. Thus, this can very well be used by the seller to raise quick funds and complete his orders in the scheduled time. Transferable letter of credit is one under which the exporter has the right to make the credit available to one or more subsequent beneficiaries. Credits are made transferable when the original beneficiary is a middleman and does not supply the merchandise himself, but procures goods from the suppliers and arrange them to be sent to the buyer and does not want the buyer and supplier knows each other. Letter of credit can be transferred to the second beneficiary at the request of the first beneficiary only if it expressly states that the letter of credit is transferable. When a buyer of a commodity agrees to receive it in part shipment, the seller may raise bills covering each part of shipment. A letter of credit in such cases may undertake part payment, the total value of the shipment being indicated on it as the aggregate extent of undertaking. The advantage of this system is that the buyer will be required to open only one letter of credit in respect of several letters covering each part payment. The revolving credit is used for regular shipments of the same commodity to the same importer. It can revolve in relation to time or value. If the credit is time revolving once utilized, it is reinstated and further regular shipments until the credit is fully drawn. Revolving letters of credit are useful to avoid the need for repetitious arrangements for opening or amending letter of credit. When the letter of credit is opened, stipulating the condition that on presentation of the negotiable set of shipping document by the seller as per the terms of the letter of credit are made, the buyer's bank will make payment at sight, meaning immediately to the seller's bank subject to fulfillment of terms and conditions of the letter of credit. Being fulfilled, the letter of credit is called sight letter of credit. Red clause letter of credit contains an authority from the issuing banker to the advising or negotiating banker to grant advances to the beneficiary up to a specified amount at the responsibility of the former. The advance made under this letter of credit is for short period and is recovered from the amount payable by the negotiating banker to the beneficiary when the latter negotiates the required documents under the letter of credit. General clause letter of credit is a letter of credit with advance payment. The beneficiary can request the advance payment of an agreed amount as defined in the terms and conditions of the letter of credit from the correspondent bank. This is basically intended to finance the production or purchase of the goods to be delivered under the letter of credit. Use of green letter of credit is often used in the agricultural business, where a company can fund the harvest of a new crop by pledging available stock as collateral. The buyer can request his banker to change any term stated in the letter of credit at any time during the currency of it. Such amendment is valid only if it is accepted by the seller. The buyer cannot amend his letter of credit unilaterally. For example, if the seller prefers to change the terms noted on an irrevocable letter of credit, it must request an amendment from buyer. Generally, the baker agrees to open a letter of credit with a maximum validity period of 1 year, where it covers purchase of raw materials.